My name is Seth Kweku Bani, and today I'm going to show you how to design this. Alright, so let's step into Photoshop and then let's drag our model in the... I'm going to leave everything in the description for you to download, guys. And so click over here on the lock, and then duplicate it. And then with this duplicated, we are going to filter, then we are going to stylize, and then we are going to extrude. Now once we click there, I want you to change the values over here. It's likely possible your value is 30 30. That means that you have not used the extrude before, but I want you to click over here, change. If it's pyramid, change it to blocks, change here to 10, change here to 40, and then leave everything like this. Do not click anything here. Click on random and then click on OK. Now what this does is that you don't have control over how Photoshop is going to create this extrude for you, but then whatever it does is what you are going to use. Okay, so click over here and then click on the mask over here as well. Click on the mask here and then click on Control and then I to hide it. So now what we are going to do is we want to reveal the part that we want the extrude to show. Alright, so now click on your brush, set here to soft round brush, your opacity 100, the flow 100. Make sure you've clicked on the mask over here and then change the color here from black to white. Alright, so that means we are going to reveal it. Now make sure your brush is a little bit bigger like this, and then just click over there to reveal the extrude over there. Now do not worry, we'll work on it and make it more perfect. So just reveal it, don't worry, just reveal it. Also over here, I would like you to reveal it over here as well. Just brush there, just brush there. Awesome. Okay, now let's click here and let's change the color to color black. So now I want you to zoom in and then let's work on the details. Now I want us to clean this side. Let's brush that side off. We don't need to be perfect. Just clean it. Just clean it. We also want to reveal the ears. It's very important here. Ears are very important. So beautiful ears, right? Now I want us to clean that as well. Also over here, I want us to reveal her eyes, including her eyebrows as well. And then her forehead is also very important. So let's reveal the forehead as well. Okay, now you can click on X to toggle between the white and the black. So white means you want to reveal. Let's reveal it here a little bit. Let's clean this side. Okay, possibly clean this side. Now let's also clean this side. Reduce the brush a little bit. Let's clean this side. Alright, this seems cool to me. Now scroll down. Let's also clean this side. We want her skin to show. We also like to blur it a little bit. Also, okay, let's also clean this side. Now this is going to test your patience, but it's all good. Like I said, I don't need to get it too perfect. Okay, let's also clean here as well. Now I think this is good. I don't know how you want it, but you can explore. Just continue until you get a perfect one you want. I think this is great for me. I'll stick with this one. And so now I have these two perfectly done. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Control Alt Shift and then E to merge everything on one particular layer. So I'll go to Filter and I'll go to Filter Gallery. Okay, just want to give it a little poster effect, and so you click over here and select Poster Edge and then set the thickness to 0, the intensity to 1, and then the posterize to 6, and then You see how it's going to create it? So beautiful. It's going to make it more crisp and nice. So this is how it was, this is how it is now. And then let's go and pick our paper texture, drag it in there, and then release it. Now click on your blending modes and set it to color burn. So it's too much. Let's reduce the opacity to 61. Okay, now I still feel like it's too much, and so what we are going to do is let's give it a mask, and then let's increase the size of the brush, set here to black, and then the opacity 100, the flow 100. We are choosing a soft round brush. Click on the mask over here, and let's mask the image out. You don't need to be perfect, guys. Like I keep saying, you don't need to be perfect. You don't need to be too perfect with it. Just mask the image out. Okay. So you can see the shape of the image is drawn over here. It looks quite good. We made a good selection or good brushing or whatever. Alright, so now that this is done, I want us to pick our levels. And let's work on it a little bit. Let's drag this one here. Somewhere around 1.3 is good. Let's drag this also here. Around 205 is also quite good. And then let's go and pick our vibrance. And then for the vibrance, let's leave everything like this, but the vibrance, let's drag it all the way up. Alright guys, so we are done. If you love this video, hit the bell icon and subscribe to this channel as well. I love you all guys. See you in the next tutorial. Peace.